Welcome to Akara Scale Artist, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, we are going to explore the art of creating stunning clay mini shoes. Never miss the end mind-blowing result. From classic sneakers to elegant heels, our tutorials cater to all skill levels, ensuring you can master these delightful creations. We'll show you how to create these tiny masterpieces step by step. To stay updated with our latest projects and techniques, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Walking hand in soul with my new shoes. These shoes are as cute as a button. My heart skips a beat every time I see these adorable shoes. Can't help but smile when I wear these cute kicks. Join our community of passionate crafters. Let's bring your creative visions to life, one miniature shoe at a time.